Alright, that's too much. You gotta stop.
Be coming off.
I think so. It's old.
So is this one. Over here. There. It's old. This one's old.
Oh.
Mommy, this one's dirt in it.
Look what Macy found.
Look, Mommy, this one's dirt in it.
Yep.
And it doesn't work. It must have dirt in it.
Look what Macy's got. Somebody forgot their toy here. From him. Macy was playing with that. Give it back to him, Malcolm. That's not yours. Give it back to Mason.
Is that his truck?
No, it's not.
Can you stop eating wood chips, please?
So sit down and pick it. Look at me.
I see you. Can you flip? No? Macy, are you having a snack of wood chips? Tell Mason to come with you. Mason, no.
Come on, Macy. See this, Mommy? I did it.
I did see you. That was pretty good.
I climb up this one and climb over here.
I saw that.
I'm not.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Malcolm, what are you doing?
Over here.
What are you doing?
Oh. There. Oh, coming. I'm coming. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You doing a stick?
Yeah.
Stick? Oh, happy you got a stick.
I have a stick too.
Well, go find one. Don't take that one from him. He's got his own. You find your own stick. Don't take it away. That wasn't very nice. Give him back his stick.
Where'd it go?
On the ground over here.
Where?
Right there.
Where? Where?
Right there in front of you.
Right there in front of me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here. No.
Macy, you want to swing? Yeah. Macy, you swinging?
I'm swinging myself.
Yay! Mason! Mason, you swinging? Hi, baby. Did you get on the swings at school?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
I can't because the girls are on it.
Oh.
Can you get me out here?
Ivan?
I'm coming to drive. What does this one look silly? Oh.
Some
Wait for me. Wait for me.
We're waiting.
Hey, wait for me.
We're waiting. No, yucky. Out of your mouth. Peekaboo.
Huh?
Come on, Macy. Mason.
Guy, you want in the car?
What?
After
Don't pull on him. Careful.
Mommy,
What?
after so this one, after I'm done with the other one, can I eat one in the car?
Yes. Are you gonna make a big mess?
Uh-huh.
Please don't make a big mess. No ducks.
Huh?
No ducks. So we're eating the crackers.